I have a methodology for dog training, and for me the most important part is the start. I want to start the training just when the dog is looking me. If the dog does not give the behavior by himself, we can recall and make him wait. Then the signal of start appear and the chase of the toy starts. As you see, the toy always go away from the dog. It is important move the toy in opposite direction of the dog. In this way, we are engaging with their instincts of chase. If the dog can do some tricks easily, I ask it before to start the play. This allow me request some effort since the beginning. If the dog is so motivated, I start to build the switch between toys. This allow me to build a really clean release. As you saw, it is really important to completely stop the toy that the dog grabs and start to move the one that you want to switch. I don't introduce a command until the dog does the out near of the 100% of the times. As you see in this video, the dog starts to grab more the one that I want to lose. Remember that the idea is to do it with toys equals, same texture, color, shape, etc. If this happens with your dog, try the same that I did, releasing the toy that you're fighting with the dog, and give live to the other one. The two ways that I like more to motivate a dog for the toy are retaining the dog, throw the toy, and when the dogs want the toy, I release the collar. And the other is with the same concept, but the hand is between the dog and the toy to try to put an obstacle to get the toy. The obstacle should be an achievable challenge for the dog. I want success in the dog. After the chase, in the grab, it's important to take in account that for build trust, the dog should win the toy. But if the dog wins the toy, remember which parts of the chain are going to appear. To avoid the runaway with the toy, we are going to move in opposite direction of the dog to be the prey for the dog, and we are going to reward with phrase and grab play when the dogs comes. Other interesting way to build the come with the toy is similar to the switch, but in this case with distance. We throw the ball, and when the dog comes with it, we reward with toy. It is super important to make the toy that you have more interesting than the one the dog brings. For do that, you need to use the chain part of chase. As you see, the ball could be in the ground and you can indicate the dog to grab it, and step by step the dog starts to win speed and confidence in the road trip. You can check that the trip is not only in one way. With this approach, as you see, the dog starts to move around with speed, power, stability, and connection with you. That are the most difficult parts in dog training. Remember that the toy always go in the opposite direction of the dog. We need chase. The grab gives confidence to the dog, and we restart the sequence of chase to bring the toy back. The goal with your dog is enjoy of this sequence that is in their deeper instincts and helps to win control and joy together. And this could be a good result applying the advices of the video and some creativity. Enjoy it. I hope that brings you some ideas.